Okay, so you hired your first editor and now you want to organize and share the files between him and you. I have streamlined the process of content creation where I have either a script writer or I write the script myself and an editor. With the editor, the folder structure looks as follows. First, of course, we have a folder for the assets and the basics. The basics is basically all the tutorial files. That is clear. But the next part is something I haven't seen online anywhere, but it's really logically and I hope this video helps you. So first we have the raw folder where for each video we drop in another subfolder which will be moving around the folders later on. In this we'll add the script written by ourselves or our script writer, and once the editor has enough time, he'll move the folder to his local desktop, work on the project and put it into edited. From there, we'll review it, and if the video is perfect, it'll wander into edited. However, in some cases the product isn't perfect, so we'll put it into reviewed. In the reviewed folder, the editor has to look over it again and maybe implement the feedback which we'll have written in a file right here. After he has done so, he moves the whole folder into the edited folder where all the revised folders are. We'll look over it. If it's good, we'll hopefully move it into edited. If there has to be a second or third version, we'll move it back into the third folder. Here's our stock of videos, which we'll put into uploaded once they are uploaded. This is the whole folder system. If this video has given you any value, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. See you later.